Welcome to my channel, Raw Atalawi Fitness, Health World, Bodybuilding, Fitness, and Sports.
Okay, jump ball, bola mabubutagan. Now, that's one. Galon to the ball. Galon to Arlanza. Arlanza on that side, he gets back. Pull up, Jane again. Makakuha niya na Ryan. Sige, Arlanza, pull up. Again. Tapi ka na ulit sumador. SCB. Si Guzman. Bigay kay Examador. Guancio on that side. Again. Adaraya with the word. Pass to Dolon. Now Dolon with the ball. Dolon on the attack. Goal Zamora. Goal again. Kahalat pa ang both teams. Now Di Guzman defended by Palomar. Di Guzman with the ball. Pass to Panagiton. Panagiton defended by Arlanza. Panagiton using his muscle. Giga pass. Guancio. Again. Nakakuha ni Zamora. Dolon with the ball. Dolon with the ball. Pass to Arlanza. Arlanza big. Arlanza dry. Still again. Examador. Na-intercept. Nakakuha ni Palomar. Bigay kay Dolon. Now Dolon to Ryan. Zamora pull up. Yan sa gitna. Matik na yan. Anton Zamora. 2 points. Now, Examador. Bigay kay Di Guzman. Di Guzman. Nakawala Di Guzman. Dry. Still again. Dolon with the ball. Dolon with the basketball. Pass to Zamora. Zamora bigay. Guancio bigay. Examador on the attack. Examador si Block ang inabot. Not in your house, bro. Dolon with the ball. Dolon on the attack. Nabitawan bigay. Palomar. Pass to Dolon. Palomar ulit. So Arlanza sa gilid. Pusang nakakuha ni Panagiton. 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 Nagad. Examador. Basket 2 points. Now, Dolon. Pass to Arlanza. Back to Dolon. Palomar. Palomar. Na-intercept. Examador with the ball. Di Guzman. Nagad. Examador is there for the position. A back-to-back point para kay Examador. Now, Dolon. Bigay kay Arlanza. Arlanza to Ryan. Pull up. Okay, tapi ka nawa. Forward pass. Guancio. Aldrin Guancio. 2 points. Bigay kay Arlanza. Ryan with the ball. Back to Arlanza. Arlanza big. Pass to Ryan. On the shot block. Zamora on the attack. Nice defense, forward back. Guancio. Easy 2 points. Technical timeout. Dolon with the ball, nakalusot. Dolon bigay. Ryan. Fake. Pass to Dolon. Maka-intercept, marirecover niya pa rin. Dolon to Palomar. Back to Dolon. 10 on the shot block. Dolon to Zamora. To Ryan. Nagad. At may foul. Now Di Guzman. Double the ball. Pass to Ryan. Maka-intercept. Now Lorenzana. Nadamigan. Out of bounds. Bigay kay Zamora. To Palomar. Palomar more range. Again. Paano mo na nakuha ni Panagiton? Forward pass, Maras! Out of bounds. Pass to Panagidon. Pass Examador, rise! Kinapos! Zamora to Palomar. Zamora. Out of Marahas with the ball. Marahas drives again. Nakakuha. Palomar, pass to Ryan. Out of kay Panagidon. Panagidon di Ben Balbido. Panagidon with the ball. Panagidon, natabigan. Forward pass to Ryan. Ryan. No good. Guanche with the ball. Now Guanche on the move. Guanche on the attack. No good. Panagidon again. Panagidon, and there's a foul. Basket again with the ball. Jerez with the ball. Biggest man, pull up. Basket is good. Panagidon. Using his body. Attack! The baby's up. Off the level. Forward pass on. Biggest man with the ball. Now, Adarayan to Francisco. To Repillo with the ball. Bigay kay Geres. 15 on the shot clock. Pass Francisco. No good. Nakakuha ni Marahas. Di Guzman shot. No good, nakakuha ni Rola. Adarayan. Forward pass out of bounds. Panagidon on the drive. Using the 14-point lead para sa team ng phase 2. Out of Panagidon with the ball. Sa 2-point ang team ng Dazon. Now Francisco pass to Ryan. Bigay kay Dolon. To Zamora with the ball. Bigay kay Dolon. Dolon on the drive. Using the left to layup. Mesa. Bigay kay Guanche with the ball. Guanche on the attack. Belakang inabot. Nakakuha niya Ryan. Forward pass. Zamora nakawala. Zamora easy 2 points. Balasao with the ball. Intercept to the forward pass. Zamora. Balasao pass to Panagidon. Panagidon with the ball. Panagidon pass to Balasao again. May sisay makakuha ni Dolon. Now Dolon with the ball. 20 seconds. Dolon with the ball. Dolon pass to Zamora. Pull up. Ilista mo na yan. 2 points. 10 seconds. Balasao with the ball. 5 seconds. Balasao again. 2 seconds. End of the first quarter. Hernandez to Zamora. Zamora to Hernandez for 3. Air ball. Tapikan. Bigay kay Adarayan. Adarayan with the ball. Good ball. Balasao pass to Lorenzano. Panagidon on the drive. Panagidon again. Nakakuha Fernandez. Now Fernandez to go with the left. Bigay kay Dolon. Dolon with the ball. Pass to Geres. Geres pass to Dolon. Fernandez trying to intercept, recover. And there's a foul. Back to Dolon. Dolon with the ball. Pass to Zamora. Matatapigan niya kuha. Delorino with the ball. Delorino waiting for his teammates. Pinasa. Pero makakuha ni Panagidon. Panagidon with the ball. Panagiton using his body again. Panagiton Barreas. And there's a foul. Now Dulon with the ball. Dulon nakawala. Bigay kaya Darayan sa gilid. 5 on the shot block. Dulon to Zamora. Zamora 2 on the shot block. Maras with the ball. Maras defended by Fernandez. Ibigay kay Panagiton. Panagiton with the ball. Defended by 2. Maras for 3. Again. Makakuha ni Zamora. Zamora pass to Dulon. Forward pass. Darayan for 3. Again. Makakuha ni Zamora. Zamora pull up again. Makakuha ni Panagiton. Panagiton forward pass to Panastao. Panastao with the ball. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Panastao pull up. Again, nakakuha ni Examador. With the ball. Dulon on the drive to point. Examador with the ball. Intercept, Duarte. Easy to point. Ryan pass to Dulon. And there's a Adarayan to Balbido. Bigay kay Adarayan. Sa gilid, Palumar. Again, nakakuha ni Adarayan. Nakakuha Balbido shot. Basket to point. Maras, defended by Adarayan. Maras sa kalusot. Pahilig sa Adarayan. Bigay kay Balbido. Balbido to Palumar. Again. Panagiton. Pahilig sa Examador. Forward pass. Guwan sa Madrid. Again. Makakuha ni Palumar. Palumar, forward pass to Zamora, kick out pass sa Adarayan. Tatabikan, harap. Zamora sa ilalim. Zamora to Palumar. Basket 2 point. Examador with the ball. Bigay kay Panagiton with the ball. Panagiton. Defended by Balbido. Panagiton using his body again. At merong out of Dulon. Defended by 2. Pass to Balbido. Balbido to Adarayan. To Zamora sa ilalim. Agad. Forward pass. Duarte. Easy to fall. Pass to Balbido. Bang! Balbido. 3-4. Now, Examador with the ball. Pass to Duarte. Forward pass to Panagiton. Again. Forward pass to Adarayan. Forward man situation. Dulon. Basket 2 point. Now, Panagiton with the ball. Panagiton shot. Again. Makakuha Adarayan. Forward pass, Dulon with the ball. Dulon with the left again. Makakuha na rin. Intercept, Adarayan. Dulon for the way. Again, nakakuha na Adarayan. Adi Zamora. To Dulon again. Wala pa rin talaga. Sabi ka na una kay Balbido. To Zamora. Pull up. Basket is good. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan. Now, Lorenzana to Examador with the ball. At siya Malakyo. Patay. Nakakuha ni Zamora. Bigay kay Dulon. Pass to Adarayan. Intercept. Guante, forward pass to Lorenzana drives. Second. Dulon with the board. Dulon. Na-intercept. Nakuha ni Maras. Ugwanse. Kumaras. Foul! Okay, nakuha niya Darayan. Pass to Dulon. Dulon with the ball. Out. Now Ugwanse with the ball. Third team foul. Now Panagiton with the ball. Defended by Rola. Panagiton, bigay na intercept. Zamora. Pass, intercepted. Bigay sa gilid. Pull up. Basket is good. 2 points. Guzman with the ball. Guzman. Ibigay, ma-intercept. Palomar with the ball. Na-intercept, Examador. No good. Pare-rebound niya pa rin. Examador, bigay kay Guanse. Guanse with the ball. Pass to Panagiton. Panagiton with the ball. Ito na shoot lock. Panagiton. 5 on the shoot lock. And there's bigay kay Mesa. Mesa with the ball. Bigay, ma-intercept ni Rola. Rola, pass to Palomar. To Adarayan. Adarayan to Geres for 3. Geres, 3 points. Di Guzman with the ball, nakalusot. Di Guzman on the attack. Di Guzman. Papasa Examador sa ilalim. 15 on the shot clock. Guanse for 3. Again. Pan-rebound ni Rola. Rola, pass to Adarayan. Forward pass to Palomar. Aro. Hernandez. Pass to Francisco. Francisco for 3. Again na, one Examador. At basket. 20 seconds. Na-intercept. Examador rise. Hernandez to Rola. Rola. 2 points. Forward pass to Guanse. Guanse. Zamora, pass Dulon. Dulon with the ball, defended by 2. Na-intercept. Guanse on the tag. Iusin Benzo with the ball. Bigay kay Palomar. Palomar, pass to Zamora. 2 points. Now Di Guzman with the cross. Guzman with the crossover. Bigay kay Examador. Back to Di Guzman. Guzman on the attack. Guzman, 10 on the shot clock. Guzman, long 2, naked. Makakuha ni Zamora. Bigay kay Dulon. Dulon on the move. Maka-intercept na, intercept. Now Examador. Dulon, with the basketball. Forward pass to Palomar. Palomar drives, naked. Panagiton, forward pass to Guanse. So Di Guzman, naked. Dulon to Zamora. Zamora on the drive, brother, naked. Nakakuha ni Examador. Forward pass. Saktong-sakto, walang labis. Inibigay. Guanse fake. Guanse. Attack. Dulon. Dulon with the ball. Pass to Zamora. Back to Dulon. Bigay sa gilid. Arlan sa drive. Lang ang inabot. Examador na Di Guzman. Di Guzman pull up J agad. Tapi ka nabot na kay Guanse. Guanse. Drive. 2 points with the ball. Pass to Palomar. To Adarayan. Pull up. No good now, one yard Rancho. Put back his feet. Guzman with the ball. Guzman defended by Dulon. Bigay kay Guante. Pass to Examador. 10, ano siya block? Ay, Palagidon. At shot! Tama yung ball! The ball. Dulon. Bigay sa gilid. Adarayan, shot, foul! Adarayan, first attempt. Ay, bonus shot rather. Pass to Palagidon. 2 points in phase 2. Now, forward pass. Adarayan, bigay kay Zamora. On the free throw line, agad. Makakuha ni Examador, bigay kay Lorenzana. Lorenzana, forward pass to Di Guzman. Di Guzman with the ball. Back to Lorenzana. 15 on the shot clock. Lorenzana to Guante. 8 on the shot clock. Guante with a crossover with agad. Makakuha ni Zamora. Adarayan with the ball. Pass to Dulon. Dulon to Adarayan. Adarayan pinasa. Guante. Panas to over 3. Agad. Rebound kay Zamora. To Dulon. Dulon pass to Palomar. And third ball. 15 on the shot clock. Dulon. Pass. May intercept pa rin. Recover niya pa rin. Siya ulit. Palagidon with the ball. Defended by Balbido. Palagidon. Bomb shot agad. Makakuha ni Palomar. Bigay kay Zamora. Zamora. Kick pass sa gilid. Atang. Long twisted. Bigay kay Di Guzman. Di Guzman. Pass by intercept. Makakuha ni Dulon. 4-on-2 situation. Dulon to Palomar, jumper, using the glass, 2 points. Baba sa 8, ang inahabol, now Banastao to Guante. Guante fake. Guante attack! Dulon, 15 on the shot clock. Bigay kay Palomar. Pass to Zamora. 10 on the shot clock. Zamora, pass to Balbido. Saskia to Banastao. Defended by Zamora. Pass to Guante. Guante, shot. No good. Maraniban ni Zamora. Zamora on the run. Balbido to Palomar. Palomar for 3. No good. Makakuha ni Di Guzman. Balbido. Pass to Palomar. Palomar with the ball. Bigay kay Dulon. Sa gilid, at number 3. And there's a foul. Basket to bigay kay Guante. Guante defended by Dulon. Bigay. Palagidon. The right block ang inabot. May save ako ang Examador. 5 on the shot clock and there's Palomar, pass to Dulon again. Dulon, and there's a foul. Second attempt is Dulon, defended by Balbido. Palagidon, drives again. Makakuha ni Palomar. Forward pass, Dulon. Dulon, bigay kay Rola. Pull up, Jay Scott. Baba sa 2. 2 minutes, time remaining. And there's the foul. Foul on jersey number 8 in 51. Basket na naman. 2 out of 2. And now we are down in 51. And the crowd of Dasma 1 waiting for the defense for Dasma 1 now. Palagidon with the ball. Defended by Balbido. Palagidon. Palagidon using his body. Shot! Nagad! Examador and Thursday! Still again! Paano mo na rebound? Nasa kanya pa rin! Extremador on the attack, using the glass, and what the kayong maingay? What a move coming from Extremador. Now Palomar, bigay kay Dulon, pass, Rola, lagyan, sa kanya pa rin, makakuha na si Guzman. Guzman with the ball. Bigay kay Panagiton. Bigay kay Extremador. Extremador, 10 on the shot block. Extremador, nabitawan. There's a 4 seconds on the shot block. Barajas! Now Dulon, and there's a foul. Basket, Maray Dulon. Basket pa rin, 12-2. Panagiton with the ball. Kasundutan, Panagiton. Defended by Rola. Panagiton, what a block! Guanche again! And there's a foul. Still Panagiton. Now, Dulon, 10 seconds. Dulon with the ball. Dulon behind. 2 seconds. And on the third. Ball possession sa last one. Now, Adarayan with the ball. Bigay kay Repillo sa gilid. Repillo, bigay. Adarayan, kay Adarayan din. Pass to Repillo. Repillo Madre. Bang! Alex Repillo. 3. Guzman, defended by Adarayan. Guzman, and there's a foul. Panagiton. Panagiton using his body again. Panagiton. Bigay. Barajas for three. Naked. Makakuha ni Adarayan. Bigay kay Zamora. Back to Adarayan. To Adarayan. Andrew Adarayan with the ball. Pass to Mike Adarayan. To Repillo. To Zamora. Pull up. Jason. Anton Zamora, the star player of Tesla 1, is doing it now. Panagiton. Panagiton with the ball. Defended by Balbido. Pass to Guanche. Guanche with the ball. Paras, fake, pass. Guanche na bitawan. Guanche shot, again. Emilio with the board. Now Adarayan, Andrew Adarayan. Nadulas. De Guzman. Easy 2 points. Adarayan, bigay kay Mike Adarayan. To Balbido, Balbido shot. Basket 2 points. Barajas with the ball. Barajas with the basketball. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Panagiton with the ball. 5 on the shot clock. Panagiton shot. Basket 2 points. Dulon with the ball. Pass to Balbido. To Repillo. Repillo shot. Basket 2 points. Panagiton, drive, 2 points. 2 points para kay Drew Panagiton. Now, Dulon with the ball. Bigay kay Adarayan. Adarayan to Dulon. Dulon with the ball. Pass to Rola. Rola to Balbido. Balbido. Bigay kay Panagiton. Panagiton nakawala. Panagiton using his body. What a power move. Now get it. Corre. Again. Makakuha ni Guzman. Panagiton with the ball. Panagiton. Drive block ang ina mo. Panagiton. Nadipensa ng tatlo. Now Zamora on the run. 3 on the situation. Adarayan. Sino kay ka pa? Bonus shot. No good. Hindi na kompleto ang driven play. Now, Lorenzana with the basketball. Lorenzana defended by Rebilio. Lorenzana. Pass. 10 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. Lorenzana. Again. Out of bounds. Bigay kay Darayan. Sa gilid. Back to Darayan. Chill. Dulon. Dulon with the ball. Defended by Chill. Bigay kay Darayan sa gitna. Pass to Dulon. 10 on the shot clock. Ay, intercept. Bigos man. Bagad. Guante. On the attack. Bagad. Adarayan, now to Dulon. Dulon to Rebilio. Back to Dulon. Dulon with the ball. 10 on the shot clock. Sa gilid. Rebilio to Adarayan. 5 on the shot clock. Rebilio. Pass to Zamora. Pull up. Jane again. Another pass to Rebilio sa gitna. On the free throw line. Agad nakakuha ni Panagiton. Guante with the ball. Guante defended by Adarayan. Guante drives again. And there's a foul! Counted! Basket is... Dulon, pass to Adarayan. Dulon. 10 on the shot clock. Dulon. That's one making a play. Bigay kay Adarayan. Adarayan, 5 on the shot clock. 3 on the shot clock. Zamora, pull up. Look at nakuha ni Guante. Guante with the ball. Bigay kay Panagiton. Panagiton, back to Guante. Guante with the ball. Bigay, mag-intercept, makakuha ni Balastaw at merong Guante, defended by Adarayan. Bigay, big shot again. Makakuha. Bigay kay Adarayan. Adarayan drives again. Makakuha ni Panagiton. Forward pass to Di Guzman. Di Guzman, puller! Agad nakakuha ni Zamora. Dulon. Dulon on the attack. Dulon on the spin. Dulon on the shot. Landon Dulon, 2 points. Babasa isa ang kalamangan ng phase 2. Now, Guante with the ball. Guante, again. Bigay kay Dulon. Now, that's the one. Chance to take the lead. Dulon, better! Bigay kay Guante. Defended by Dulon. Guante with the ball. Guante na bibitawan. Guante drives. Lang ang inabot. Now, Zamora to Palomar. Palomar on the push. Palomar. Step back still. Hold with the ball. Bigay kay Dulon. Mahilay sa Salvador. Panagiton with the ball. Hey, on the shot clock. Panagiton to Salvador. Yeah! Adarayan. Zamora. Hey, Adarayan. Palomar for 3. Now, Salvador. Bigay kay Guante. Pass to Panagiton. Again. Now Dulan with the ball. Dulan, pass. Palomar again. Patay ang Butiki. Banasta with the ball. Ma-intercept. Dulan. Corona. Big shot! Timeout. That's one. Isa na lang. Sa pace still. Now Palagitan with the ball. Palagitan natin. Lorenzano ready. Good. Pakuha ni Rola. Rola with the ball. Bigay kita bola. Sa Palomar. Pedro Ryan. Pedro Ryan. Nagiri sa ikaw. First game is good. Goal sa Marley. Gagan. Face of damage good. Arel Palomar. Walang kakabak. Palomar, second attempt. Basket pa rin. Walang kabak. Coming from Dasma 1. Timeout. San Marino. Baseball. Bigay kay Lorenzano. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. A out of bounds. Bigay kay Zamora. And there's a foul. Second attempt. Second. Makakuha. Guanche on the move. Guanche nakabigan. Good luck. Basket. 25 seconds. Guanche Marley. 3 points. 20 seconds. No good. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. No good.
Thank you so much for watching my blog, Raw Atalawi Fitness, Health, Wealth, Bodybuilding, Fitness, and Sports.